Please don't. You destroyed every pair of shoes I had. Hello everyone. Oh, angry Juju. Juju is there. That's Juju over there in the middle of the picture. And then where is Ruby? Ah, and that's Mr. Ruby. And a little one here. My kike they love to forage on the ground, but I'm very afraid of, we have a resident stoat, kind of weasel. And they are very aggressive and very fast. It's not exaggeration to say if the weasel attack, you don't have enough time even to see. You just hear a shout of a pain from the kike and they run away. It didn't happen to me, but it happened to a cockatiel of a friend of mine. Right, bye bye everyone.